disbelief and make me forget my memories. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know, let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor, flame your light, take a smoke, put your broken rip-off wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, don't care about.
That's our boat! Finally on the boat! I hope this microphone is doing this sound justice and it's not a windy mess, because last year it totally was, but it's okay because we had an amazing time anyway. So he went to the market to get some ice and we're just sipping on some local Santorini wine. I can't wait to hop in the water. I know it's gonna feel so refreshing. So we're just gonna sit here, sail a little bit, hang out on the boat, and I think half of our group is super hungry already, and the food I know is gonna be amazing, so that will not disappoint. And that is how you say hello, plural, in Greek. I just try to pass for a Greek woman until they ask me something else. Then I just don't know. So they mentioned that their local grapes are watered by the humidity of the night, and this is the white wine. Salud! When I get it, because you better believe I will be vlogging everything. So we are on our way to a little area to snorkel, and I think he also passes through and points out some of the volcanoes as well. It's a perfect day to go sailing. The water's not too choppy. It is such a beautiful sapphire blue, and then if you look onto the coast of Santorini, you just see these really beautiful olive and rusty colors. Everything is so picturesque. It's so perfect for a portrait at any given moment. Throughout Ia, throughout Fida, throughout Akrotiri, everywhere.
Mírate de frente así para allá y abre las manos. Ten cuidado, no te caigas. Está bien. ¡Ay! ¡Diablo! Eso está buenísimo, chica. Chica, eso está riquísimo. Toulouse ourselves, so we're from Cuba. Hey, my name is Jose. This is my wife Mary, this is my daughter Mary, and this is my daughter's boyfriend, Jose. I'm gonna do a swimsuit change just in case that leopard swimsuit is good luck, the one I wore in Boca Marina. So we hope this video gets over 500,000 views as well. So we about to change. Bam! Swimsuit change! I'm jumping in now. Recording live from, this might be a little chilly, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Alright, pick me up next year. I'll just be in the water. Hola! They put this out for us so we could dive off. And of course my dad is like the first person to do it. Hey Joe! Hey Joe!
up my nose and everywhere else too.
The most famous scuba diving area.
This is the most famous scuba diving area?
Yes. Beautiful. That's beautiful.
Wow, it's beautiful. It's so blue.
10 meters, 7 with 10 meters, all this area.
Wow, do you guys see how blue that is over there?
More or less. Let's go.
Okay, go.
This is the old volcanic island.
The old one.
This is the new volcanic island. 2,100 years old, 200 years old. Massive rock. Wow. This is like a small rocks.
Wow.
Because the volcano actually push the island up slowly, slowly.
No big deal.
Still active. There is a grave.
Both still active, by the way. And hot springs are here.
And it grows 3.5 centimeters every year, more or less.
This one?
This one.
Wow. So we never stopped by this area last year. These are hot springs. The water feels like a hot tub, and it's sulfur and iron. And I paid for like $100 and something for my, I think it's Sunday Riley sulfur mask. So I totally took advantage and put this all over my face.
You're welcome.
Look at this.
Thank you.
Here, come. Baby. Sorry. They're making our amazing food down here. I'm so excited to eat. Let's go up.
Do we thank God for this food?
Thank God.
And God bless everybody, and I'm so glad to meet you guys.
Guys, they took into consideration that we're vegetarian and made us the most amazing dishes. I think I just missed the cheers and the prayer. But they made a beautiful meal, so gorgeous. We're gonna eat and we're gonna sail for the sunset.
Slowly, slowly.
How do you say like salud?
Llamas.
Llamas?
Llamas.
Llamas. Guys, they said they were calling the seagulls for me. The sun is setting. I promise I'll get you guys the most beautiful view. The sun looks like an egg yolk about to dip into the Aegean Sea. And it literally looks like I'm riding into it. Look at how beautiful this is. See you guys next time. Love you guys so much. Thank you so much for the love and support. This is where my vlog started with Natasha last year vlogging. I appreciate you guys so much. I hope I can have so many more adventures and bring you guys along with me. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. I'm riding off into the sunset. Bye guys. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I will catch you guys in Rome.